The avocado is a rather unique fruit. While most fruit consists primarily of carbohydrate, avocado is high in healthy fats. Numerous studies show that it has powerful health benefits. Here are 12 health benefits of avocado that are supported by scientific research. 1. Avocado is incredibly nutritious. Avocado is the fruit of the avocado tree, scientifically known as Persea americana, one trusted source. This fruit is prized for its high nutrient value and is added to various dishes due to its good flavor and rich texture. It is the main ingredient in guacamole. These days, the avocado has become an incredibly popular food among health-conscious individuals. It's often referred to as a superfood, which is not surprising given its health properties. 2. Trusted source. There are many types of avocado that vary in shape and color, from pear-shaped to round and green to black. They can also weigh anywhere from 8 ounces, 220 grams, to 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms. The most popular variety is the Hass avocado. It's often called alligator pear, which is very descriptive, as it tends to be pear-shaped and has green, bumpy skin like an alligator. The yellow-green flesh inside the fruit is eaten, but the skin and seed are discarded. Avocados are very nutritious and contain a wide variety of nutrients, including 20 different vitamins and minerals. Here are some of the most abundant nutrients, in a single 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving. 3. Vitamin K, 26% of the daily value, DV. Folate, 20% of the DV. Vitamin C, 17% of the DV. Potassium, 14% of the DV. Vitamin B5, 14% of the DV. Vitamin B6, 13% of the DV. Vitamin E, 10% of the DV. It also contains small amounts of magnesium, manganese, copper, iron, zinc, phosphorus and vitamins A, B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, and B3, niacin. This is coming with 160 calories, 2 grams of protein and 15 grams of healthy fats. Although it contains 9 grams of carbs, 7 of those are fiber, so there are only 2 net carbs, making this a low-carb friendly plant food. Avocados do not contain any cholesterol or sodium and are low in saturated fat. This is why they are favored by some experts who believe these substances are harmful, which is a debated topic, however.